Good morning. I'm back from my jollies and I'm ready to go. So we're up in Pudsey. Tom started a new job while I were away. And we're doing porcelain. We haven't done porcelain for months. Start of year we did his last porcelain job. But yeah, should be good. Should be a good job. Let me show you around. Gate's gonna slam. So you've got this pathway down here, which is going to be wall to wall. It were just a little path before, but now it's going to be wall to wall with porcelain. Falling towards the drive as well, so water can disappear. But yeah, up here, 50 square metres of porcelain. We've already got a draining, which is leading that way, and then we're going to fall across on the angle rather than, obviously it's falling that way anyway. I've just got nowhere to put these stuff. So we're doing a few rows, shove them over, that sort of thing. Yeah, it don't seem big, but when you get a few down, it'll take bloody ages. Porcelain always seems to take longer. See if you remember this. This was one of my first YouTube videos. Put the fence in. In fact, I did that garden first. Which is Indian stone, turf, shed base, the far side. I think they're getting an office. Yeah, we did that side first, and then we did this a few months later because we were knackered by these stairs. So this time, we've lifted up this area here. It's like I say, 1.5 metre square. We lifted it up, but all them flags are loose. So with the view's wrong sand, too porous. So we're using that sort of water's come out of them, you know, before it were too dry or something. I don't know what they've done, but yeah, we're relaying this. But look at this. They bought off a plan that we're only supposed to be a 4-foot wall, I think. Yeah, £500,000, and you've got that of this garden here. What a joke. Give me ex-council house any day. Don't get any of this crap. Get a nice garden. So yeah, to me, I don't even look like I've got a tan. I feel like I got this tanned anyway. But been all day, had a break, got a crack on now. Part of it, innit? Part of it. So let's get some porcelain lead. So we've got a few flags down. I only just started using these sort of spaces. I normally use just tile spaces for like your bathroom and stuff like that, which are like 3 or 4 mil. I think these work out at 4 or 5 mil, and they're just so much easier. Never used them before. So all you buy is I'm gonna call them sticks. The ones that you screw into. Let's have a look. All you buy is these, and then you reuse them red bits, and then you just kick them off once we're done, and then obviously bottom bit stays in. But yeah, it's going in well. Got a string line down here, and up there you can't see, so that hose up there it kicks in, and up at the other end it kicks in as well. So we've had to put a string on it because obviously new build, they're just all over the place. So yeah, it's good, looking good. Only problem we've got is doing it in lines like this. We're going to have one line there, it's going to be hard as hell trying to get in. Putting porcelain in, it's got to be really careful. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this section, and we're going to come across here, and then that half's done, they can go down into the bottom garden, go play with kids, with dog, whatever, and then this half will be done in a separate section. And what's more, got an egg chair there, bin store there, herbs over there, you know what I mean? So all they can come over here, concentrate on that bit, and then obviously vice versa, put everything over that side. So we'll just put mixer on front because it won't work because of that idea. But yeah, I think it's gonna make it feel bigger. It's got a 5-foot wall. This is private, but it's got a 5-foot wall before you garden. Let's have a look. It's down there. Crazy, crazy. But yeah, let's get some more flags down then. Starting to take shape now. So now I want to explain to you. Now it's absolutely chucking it down. We haven't gone brick effect where it's dead in centre, you know, staggered. So this is the reason, and I learnt this off of Northern Gareth Landscapes, or Gareth Landscaper, whatever, in on Instagram. So the flags are always domed. So if you've got it half and half, this line here will be there, so the lower bit will be on the higher bit there. So this flag is domed and comes over. It's not domed a lot, but water's water in it. It goes to low points. So when it's half and half, you'll get a bit of water there and it'll just sit there, and then a bit of water there and a bit of water there, and it'll just all sit there. So the idea of this is the water comes from the peak of the flag to this corner to that corner, which will then go down there, and then with that flag there it'll fall to that corner, and obviously then the fall of the flag will take it down to the drain. And that's what I learned off of him. Everybody does it different and everyone's got an opinion, but that's one of the best tips I've seen this year. Did a few jobs last year, and when you are watering it down, you see it and you're like, you just see it and you're like, why is that gathering in corner? And this, it just explains it. It just explains it. And when it's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to water it down and I'm going to put it on like a fast cam, bloody hell they call that, time lapse. I'm going to put it on a time lapse. I'm going to see how the flag dries, and let's see it work, and let's see what it does. So yeah, we've just got a bit of running around now. We're going through a primer like mad, and then I think we need some more hardcore for down the side of the house. So while we're there, we'll just pick it up. But yeah, it's all going down. Keeps raining. It's supposed to stop raining at 11. It keeps bloody raining. Every time I take my jumper off, I'm getting used to this cold English weather. Every time I take my jumper off, it freaking rains. So got to stay positive. Got to keep going, because we want another holiday, don't we? So yeah, it's looking good. It's nice and light, as I've said before. I say it in every video. I love light flags. I love them. Alright, so the majority down. Looks like I'm just hoping they don't come out and step onto it. So down here we've got roughly 200mm all the way down, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts at that end. We can do all them in the morning, and we can do this half. It does actually make a nice change for the house to be square with that wall, or for that wall to be square with the house. Normally you get over this side and it'll just, like, over all of that it'd be 50mm difference or something stupid like that. Say they're engineers and they get paid loads of money. Yeah, they're not always square. Say the new builds. But yeah guys, right, I'm off over to Manchester now with football. Hopefully there's no crashes and all that jazz on M62. Yeah, see you in the morning. Have a good one.